Imagine hiring an employee who never sleeps, can use your computer, open apps, work through tasks, and come back to you only when it needs your approval. Sounds like science fiction, right? But that is exactly the direction artificial intelligence is heading. And one of the newest examples is Grok Bot from xAI. Grok Bot is being developed as an AI teammate designed to do more than simply answer questions. Instead of giving you instructions and leaving you to complete the work yourself, it is designed to interact with a computer and perform multi-step tasks. Think about what that could mean for your daily routine. You could potentially ask an AI agent to organize information, work with business applications, manage repetitive digital tasks, or move between different tools while you focus on something more important. That is a major difference between traditional chatbots and AI agents. A normal chatbot might tell you how to complete a task. An AI agent is designed to actually perform parts of that task for you. Grok Bot is being introduced as an early beta, so it is important not to think of it as a perfect digital employee just yet. It still has limitations, and some actions may require human approval. But the concept is incredibly important because it shows where AI assistants are going next. Imagine starting your workday and telling your AI teammate, check my inbox, identify the messages that need attention, organize the important information, and prepare responses for me. Instead of simply generating a response in a chat window, an agent could potentially interact with the tools needed to complete the workflow. Another example is research. Instead of asking an AI to give you a list of websites, you could eventually ask it to research a topic, collect information, compare sources, organize the findings, and prepare a report. For content creators, this could become even more interesting. An AI agent could potentially help research video topics, organize ideas, prepare scripts, manage files, and assist with repetitive production tasks. For small businesses, AI agents could help automate routine workflows that previously required hours of manual work. But there is an important catch. Giving an AI access to your computer and online accounts introduces serious questions about security, privacy, accuracy, and control. What happens if an AI makes a mistake? What if it opens the wrong application, sends something it shouldn't, or misunderstands your instructions? That's why
Perfect. That's
human
another task
approval
off
and
my
permission controls are so important. The goal isn't necessarily to give an AI unlimited control. The more realistic future is a digital teammate that can handle routine tasks while asking you before making important decisions. And Grokbot isn't alone in this race. Companies across the technology industry are working on increasingly capable AI agents that can reason through tasks, use software, and operate across multiple steps. This could eventually change the way we think about productivity. Instead of opening 10 different applications and manually moving information between them, you might simply tell an AI what outcome you want and let it coordinate the workflow. For businesses, that could mean fewer repetitive tasks. For creators, it could mean more time spent creating instead of managing software. And for everyday users, it could mean having a personal digital assistant that can actually get things done. But we are still early in this transition. Grokbot is a beta product, and its real-world performance will matter much more than the marketing. The biggest question isn't whether AI can perform impressive demonstrations. The real question is whether it can reliably complete useful tasks without constant supervision. If it can, AI assistants could evolve from something we chat with into something we actually work with. And that may be one of the biggest changes coming to personal computing. So, would you trust an AI employee with your daily work? Would you let it access your computer and complete tasks for you? Or would you rather keep humans in control of everything? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the latest AI tools, technology, automation, and future innovations, subscribe to Novoryx, discover, learn, innovate.